Welcome to our channel. If you want to install Mega IPTV on your Firestick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions to access live television channels from around the world. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and navigate to the home screen. Go to the search icon and type Downloader to find the app. Step 2. Install the Downloader app if you haven't already. Open it and accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. On the Downloader home screen, click on the URL field and enter the specific downloader code for Mega IPTV. Step 4. Press the Go button and wait for the APK file to download completely. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once downloaded, the installation prompt will appear automatically. Click Install to begin the installation process. Step 6. Wait for the installation to complete. When finished, click Done or Open to launch Mega IPTV. Step 7. Open Mega IPTV and explore the available live TV channels, sports, movies, and international content. Step 8. Configure your preferred channels and create playlists for easier access to your favorite content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.